Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most versatile and useful Excel tools out there. If you're here, you're probably looking for an easy way to calculate mileage for taxes. And let me tell you, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Excel to streamline your mileage calculations so you can maximize those tax deductions without the hassle. For those of you that are new here, let me quickly introduce what we do. At ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, we've been building specialized Excel tools for over 16 years. These tools are designed to save you time, eliminate human error, and automate your day-to-day tasks. To date, we've helped over 7,500 clients with more than 50 different tools. Tools that have been game changers for people like you. But don't just take my word for it. Check out our 125 plus 5-star Google reviews and see what our customers are saying. So, let's dive into how you can calculate mileage for taxes using our Excel distance calculator. Here's the best part. This tool is built entirely in Excel, so there's no software to install. Just download it, open the file, and you're ready to go. You'll need a Google Maps API key, which is super easy to set up. I've included a link in the description to a quick tutorial on how to get that set up if you need help. Here's how it works. Start with a list of addresses. These can be full addresses, zip codes, cities, or even partial addresses. Paste them into the tool, hit the calculate button, and boom! The tool instantly generates the driving distance in miles and the driving time in minutes for each pair of addresses. It's as simple as that. What makes this tool so powerful is its flexibility. Whether you're tracking mileage for business trips, client meetings, or delivery routes, this tool can handle it all. And because it's powered by the Google Maps API, you can trust the data to be accurate and up to date. Now, I know some of you might have questions. That's why we're here to help. If you need assistance or need customizations to the tool, give us a call or shoot us an email. You'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the genius behind these tools, who's always happy to help. And yes, he will answer the phone. Check out the link in the description to download the Excel Distance Calculator and start saving time and effort today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy calculating.